Mathematics 6, Quarter 2, Comparing and Arranging Integers on the Number Line. Integers can be applied in real-life situations. For example, if you gained weight of 4 kilograms, it can be represented by positive 4. And if you lose weight of 2 kilograms, it can be represented by negative 2. Another example is when the temperature reading is 22 degrees above zero. We say it as positive 22 and negative 22 if it is 22 degrees below zero. We have here some examples. Write an integer to represent each situation. Letter A, loss of 7 points. When we say loss, that means negative. Therefore, the integer is negative 7. Letter B, 10 steps forward. The word forward indicates positive. Therefore, the integer is positive 10. And letter C, a loss of 50 pesos. Loss means negative. Therefore, the integer is negative 50. The set of integers consists of the following: negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5. And one way to represent integers is through a number line. Observe the number line below. To the right of 0 are the positive integers, while to its left are negative integers. Imagine folding the line at point 0. You will notice that it will fall at negative 1, positive 1, negative 2, positive 2, negative 3, positive 3. They are called the mirror images or opposites. Any integer has its opposite. The opposite of positive 7 is negative 7. The opposite of integer positive 8 is negative 8. Two integers are opposites if they are of the same distance from 0. One is positive and the other is negative. Just take a look and study this number line. Again, number line composed of opposite numbers. We have negative integers on the left side of 0 and positive integers on the right side of 0. We can also use the number line to compare and arrange integers. Integers can be positioned and ordered on a number line. As we move to the right on the number line, the numbers get larger in value. As we move to the left, the value gets smaller. From the number line above, we can see that a positive integer is greater than 0. Similarly, negative integers are less than 0. How do we compare both positive or both negative numbers? So let us give some examples. Let us compare the following integers. Let us use the number line on the screen. Which is greater? Number 1, positive 9 or negative 2? The answer is positive 9. Always remember, positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Number 2, which is greater? Negative 6 or positive 5? The answer is positive 5. Again, positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Number 3, negative 8, positive 8. Which is greater? The answer is positive 8. Why? Because positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Number 4. Which is greater? Negative 15 or positive 7? The answer is positive 7. Even though negative 15 has 15 as its number, 15 is greater than 7, but because of its negative sign, the value of 15 gets smaller. Negative 15 is smaller than positive 7. And lastly, number 5, which is greater? Positive 2 or negative 10? The answer is positive 2. The greater the negative number is, the lesser the value it has. Now, let us arrange the integers from least to greatest using number line. So when we say least to greatest, from the smallest value or from the number with the smallest value up to the number with the greatest value. Arranging the following sets of integers from least to greatest. Number 1, we have negative 7, negative 2, 0, positive 5, positive 6. Number 2, we have negative 8, negative 3, positive 1, positive 5, positive 9. Number 3, negative 11, negative 9, 0, positive 10, positive 11. Number 4, negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, positive 9, positive 10. And lastly, number 5, negative 7, negative 3, positive 6, positive 8, and positive 11. Choose the correct order of integers from least to greatest in the box. Write your answer on your notebook. Okay, let's find out if your answers are correct. For number 1, we have letter B, negative 25, negative 15, positive 18, positive 19, positive 20. For number 2, we have letter A, negative 42, negative 24, negative 18, 0, and positive 42. For number 3, we have letter A, negative 21, negative 17, negative 1, positive 5, positive 40. For number 4, we have letter A, negative 29, negative 3, positive 4, positive 13, positive 22. And number 5, we have letter B, negative 30, negative 28, 0, positive 28, and positive 30. Always remember, integers can be positioned and ordered on a number line. As we move to the right on the number line, the numbers get larger in value. As we move to the left, the value gets smaller. Positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Now that you already knew how to compare and arrange integers, you are now ready to answer series of activities. Answer the following activities, and after every activity, you can check if your answers are correct. Answer keys are given after each set of activities. So how's your activities? If all your answers are correct, good job! You have learned a lot from this video. Thanks for watching and listening. Have a nice day!